Ka sorkar jala ha ka Henry Trik Jemang, kalawan ra e jinglap bakong san jong ka kaipot ka expert committee, halor ka state reservation policy, ha ka jingalang jong ka all party meeting, balapanya da umintri rang ba ka jala ukon rat ke sangma, ha ka ba ka sorkar kalaong, bakam shimla dan ka nuo kuno ka jingpan pau ka jingapher jingmut ka khraw, halor ka kaipot ka commission hapdeng ki seng san perthai. Habakren Shakilat Putai Kubor Hadin ka Jingalang, U Commissioner and Secretary Uba Cyril Vidi Dingdo, Ula Ong Bayakani ka Jingalang, Lapunlong Hadin ka Jingkular Jong Umintri Rangba, Hapo ka Yeng Dorbar Tauan, Hakapor Bawan Ra ya ka Kaipan, Haka Kat Pratrik Rumpang, Araja Rio. Hakapor Balayakren Yakani, Kaman, Umintri Rangba Ulakren Hapo ka Yeng Dorbar, Ba Unsa Kot ya Barok Iseng San Pertai, ban pa ni ki jing ai jingmut jongki bar ka jinga slok bar ka jingwan ra e ki jing sham jong ka kaipon ulaong uba ding do ulaong baya ka kaipot ka badan hadu arpway volume bar hadu jan sawajar sla la dapan sam shabaro ki MLA menta kasni ye ki jing sham bar ki jing ai jingmut bakong san jong ka committee la pen sngo shabaro ki sengsan perthai na kalyang umintri rang baru ula batha engi ban ya ka kopi jong ka kaipot chabaro ki seng san perthai ula ang habakan tat ban batai ki jingpan sngo jong ki nongya shimbanta uba ding do ula ang ki babun ki seng san perthai ki lakmi ya ka jing batai bat kam shim la dan satya ka no ko jingbam ya hab jingmut ka bakraw bat ka ka ba ka committee kala pen pau ha ka kaipan Ula benram kilaya ro e ka jing shisha baka sorkar kala khot ki kumba umintri rangba ula ong baka ni kan sa urlong bat umintri rangba ula putha ru ban ya ka kopi jong ka kaipan bat lada don kam on penlong shushu ya ka jinga kren halor ka kam bat kiwai Baro ki seng san perthei kila wanya shimbenta light no tang ka seng Voice of the People Party VPP ngam tharai bakan dang don kam ban penlong ya ka no ka jingalang ka VPP kala ai daga jingtho bakan wan shimbenta hadien bakila yai lingba ya ka kaipot ula ong da ka bakdo baka jingpen I ka kentup tangi kimat bakong san ki benta baya dei bat kaan bat ki riti sen shar namar ki babon kiman ki dei bat kaan riti sen shar ni kimat baya dei bat kaan
Report of the expert committee on the state reservation policy was tabled in the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly on the 18th of February 2026. During the course of those proceedings, Honorable CM had made a statement in the House that all the political parties will be called to seek their views and consultations and to present basically the findings of the report. As you know, this report has already been tabled in the House. It has been given to all the members of the Legislative Assembly. And today we had presented the main findings of the Committee on the Reservation Policy to all the political parties. And Honorable CM has also directed us to give all these political parties a copy of this report. As you know, it's a voluminous report, 21 volumes, almost 4,000 pages. So the findings and the main recommendations of the committee were presented to the political parties, and we had a discussion on the same. It would not be correct for me to talk about their views. I think it's good if you ask them their own views. But the majority of the political parties looked at the presentation, and there was no major disagreement with what the committee has found in the report. I don't want to go into the details of the report. It's a very lengthy report, but the recommendations are there. I think it's already been shared with the press. All of you know the recommendations. So they appreciated the fact that the government has called them, as Honorable Chief Minister had said that this will happen. And Honorable CM also directed that copies of this report should be given to all of them, and if required, further consultations will be held with others. All the political parties attended, except one, so I don't think there is a need for any other meeting. Some political parties may also give further suggestions after they go through the report. So we have requested them to go through the report in detail. It's a voluminous report. We have presented, obviously, in 1 hour time. You can present only the main issues, the legal position, the constitutional position, since a lot of the issues dealt with the constitutional law issue or the legal issue. And these were presented to the political parties. And all of them greatly appreciated the fact that the government had called them, and we had made this presentation to the political. They gave in writing that they'll not be able to attend, but you should ask them that. They, of course, informed us that they'll not be attending. We had invited all the political parties, but as to why they didn't attend, I think that question you have to ask them.